Yo, what's going on, guys? So this is a quick tutorial on how to use Padley. Padley is dope because it is like YouTube automation. You can just use this to automate a lot of things, but I'm going to show you how to do this on YouTube comments. So all you do is go over to Padley, type in Padley Connect, not logo, but Padley Connect, and then it'll take you to this type of page. You go ahead and sign up, and it's easy. I'm using this for free, which is pretty dope, but I've already got an account, so I'm just going to sign in, right? Here, let me bring this up. Ooh, there we go. So then once you're signed in, it's going to look something like this. It looks a little confusing because, like, I don't know, when you land here, there's a lot going on. But if you hit Padley Connect, right, just click that Access Now. And then once you click Access Now, you're going to have a dashboard, something like this. You got workflows. I don't want to get too deep on how to use this. I'm going to show you the basics. But once you click workflows, okay, it's going to ask you to do like a trigger. So what you want your trigger to do. This means like, if I wanted to connect to my YouTube and then I want ChatGPT to come in here to use a robot to act like me, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and connect my YouTube. Easy, already done it. Connect your YouTube. It's going to be a drop down right here. You can connect a whole bunch of things, right? Just come in here and look up YouTube and you'll see it. Boom. So once you connect your YouTube to this bad boy, it's going to ask for a trigger. So this can do like on videos, new comments on channels, new on videos. But I'm going to just do channel because it just goes like through everything, right? So you hit connect. It's going to basically ask you to get your YouTube account. Boop, your existing YouTube account. And then once you save that, let me come over here and move this over. There we go. So once you save that, it'll just ask you like to sign into your YouTube. Sign into your YouTube, boom. Your settings will look like this. Then after that, hit this little plus button, click Open AI. And once you have Open AI right here, hit Generate Content. So you have to connect OpenAI, and it's going to ask you for an API key. And how you get that is come to OpenAI API. Just type that in. It's going to take you to OpenAI. You log into OpenAI. After you log into OpenAI, it's going to ask you right here. Oh, OpenAI to API. Okay. Click View API and get your API. I can't really show you that part because I don't want to show you guys my API. But after you do that, you paste it in there. You click text-to-DaVinci, just a basic, ChatGPT, and then you could tell it to prompt right here, like write me a kind response and following a question with like an open-ended question or whatever, right? So that's what I want ChatGPT to do and respond to these people. So that's how it's going to do it. And then max 400 tokens. And that's pretty much it, guys. You push save and then it'll work on your channel. When people comment, it'll just reply back to it. That's pretty much it, guys. That's simple. It's very, very easy to set up and do. But if you want like a step-by-step guide on how to do this, join the AI Inner Circle. The link is below. And this is like a group that has me as a coach, right? So I'm able to coach these people. We're able to work together in a mastermind because it's about who you're around, right? Like if you hang around 5 losers or you're talking 5 losers every day, you're probably going to be the 6th loser. So what you want to do is you want to surround yourself around other like-minded people that are grinding in this AI wave and making money using AI. So that's why we designed the group, and that's what we're doing in there. So hopefully see you in there. And if you have any further questions, feel free to join the AI Inner Circle, and I'll see you in there to help you.